So by having the quick check machine here, it's definitely increased the alignments that we've done, and we've actually trained more people on our alignment machine and into our evening shift to take care of these things. It's pretty easy to see the return on investment from the quick check when we know that we're not wasting time putting trucks on the alignment rack that don't have an issue. We know that we're able to correct and fix problems, see them up front, and develop relationships with our customers as well. We've actually had to change around some of our processes. There's a lot more opportunity now than we were seeing before. My name is Steve Ford, and I'm a regional operations manager for 5 of our dealerships here at Bergey's locations. Bergey's been in business since 1924, a family-owned business. The biggest difference I see between Bergey's and other shops is that we're a partnership with our customers. We're not just a repair facility that you bring your vehicle to and get repaired. We're invested with our customers, our fleets, whether you have 1 truck or you have 100 trucks. The service department and that relationship is what builds and makes customers keep buying that product. And the things that we do and the training that we have and the equipment that we use is all to support that. When Jeff presented the quick check machine where we can drive through and know the results without having a technician have to hook up to it, the time savings that we could see there, as well as the added value to providing that for our customers, was huge. We have a lease fleet as well. Every lease truck that we have goes through the quick check, and we can tell our own lease fleet whether the truck's in good shape or needs to be adjusted. They know that we're looking out for their best interests, not just trying to sell them something. And they keep us going just like we're trying to keep them going. So it definitely helps with that balance. Improper alignment is important in commercial vehicles. One, for tire wear and suspension and making sure that the truck is safe going down the road. Tire wear is some of the most expensive pieces on a commercial vehicle. And when you know that that truck is lined up, it's a good bit of peace of mind as well as a money savings for our customers and our fleets. Every day, on average, there's about 20 to 22 trucks that are checked in and brought through our uptime process and inspected for repairs or maintenance, whatever it might be.
We have a lot of the new Mac MRs that come through, a lot of the tractors, sleepers, day cabs, traxels, roll-offs, quite a few. As we know, with the price of everything going up, tires are also going up, very expensive. So the good thing about it now is even if we don't notice something that's on, if we drive it through the new equipment, we can now see in real time how bad the alignment is, what the wheels look like. We can immediately make a suggestion and we'll explain to them, hey, this is what it looks like. Watch, I can show you us driving your truck through there. So I just show them like we're using the newest tech, we're state of the art, and it really instills confidence in our ability to present our customer with the best diagnostics.
If we are finding that the truck is out of alignment, we're having those conversations with our customers. They're asking us to look into it a little further because they want to save money as well. And then we're finding more suspension and other repairs that can be made that previously we would not have even looked at this point in time.
It's definitely really raised the amount of alignments that we've been able to sell. And again, you have the proofs in the pudding, right? I don't have to take a day or 2 days to take your truck and put it on the alignment rack, put lasers on it. I can just drive it through a thing and say, here's your printout, customer. You need an alignment, and it's just much easier to get the alignments done and through and know that it needs it with that system.
The Hunter team has been awesome. They're responsive, multiple people that they can reach out to. It's just amazing the investment that Hunter has in their equipment and making sure that their name stays the best in the business. They're not just selling me another piece of equipment. They're looking at what makes sense for us and how we can in turn help our customers. I would recommend Hunter equipment to every other repair facility. It's made a world of difference. We actually just purchased another one from one of our other locations and should be getting installed next week. I'm so excited to see how this other location takes off and how we can help the customers out there.